Hey guys, this video is the walkthrough of stolen mount from TryHackMe. So first what we need to do is to read this contents and start the mission. After starting, you just need to see the you can see the challenge.pcap file, which you can just double click and open in Wireshark. And our task here is to analyze the challenge.pcap file, pcap ng file. So we are analyzing that and finding the flag. So that's our aim to complete this room. So let's do this. So this is the pcap file and I'm just zooming and here it is. I hope you will be able to see this clearly. And here you can see here we are targeting the NFS server, which is a native file system. In the network file system, when you enter NFS in the apply filter option in the Wireshark, you'll be able to see the protocols related to NFS only. Okay, so this is the first thing that you need to search for NFS. So when you click somewhere, you can see the network file system will be here and you can expand and view the rest of the contents. Okay, so you can just click one any of them and just right click and just click follow and just go to the TCP stream to see something like this. Okay, to see something in detail, right? So let's find. So we our aim is to find the flag, right? So what I'm going to do here is when I click that something like these, and you can just click anything and in the NFS. So I'm just closing and let me repeat one more time. Okay, just search for NFS and select anything here, anywhere which the NFS protocol, select anything. Okay, so I'm just selecting this one called 26. You can just select something like this without this, I think. So we can just select anything that you want. I think, yeah, that's it. So just click right click and click follow and click TCP stream, and after that you'll be able to see a lot of text contents here. So when you scroll down, you'll be able to see a lot of contents, right? So here you'll be able to see an MD5 file. So this is an MD5 hashed content, and when you copy, you can see this is the archive password. This is this MD5 content is a hash content is something, a password of something. So what I'm going to do here is inside our this VM, we don't have any internet connection. So if you want to crack MD5, you just need to use your own VM. So here I'm just searching for crack station in my own computer VM, not inside the Kali VM provided by TryHackMe. So here I'm just opening the crack station website and paste the hash that we get from there and just click crack hashes, and that's it. We were able to crack the hashes and the password here is Avengers. So yeah, we cracked MD5, we got the password which is Avengers. Okay, anyways, we are going to open the content that we opened before. So yeah, this one. So let's zoom, and you can also read the rest of the content to see if there is any kind of suspicious content here. So this seems to be an hidden stash dot zip file is here. So there is a zip file here, so we just understand there's a zip file here, and we got the password of the file, which is an MD5 hash content. The password is hashed in MD5 here, and we were able to crack that, and this is an archive password, right? So these are the contents that we get from here, right? So what I'm going to do here is to click here in the show data as, and I'm just clicking raw. When I clicked the row, I was not able to read the contents, but I was able to see contents like this. Now what I'm going to do is to click the save as option here, and I'm just saving this as something called a file dot zip. It's basically a zip file, right? So I'm just saving this as dot zip and click save. So I just changed the data to row and saved this as file.zip. So I'm just closing the Wireshark and opening my terminal and ls to list. And here is our file.zip. I'm using the command unzip file.zip, and it is asking me for the password, and it contains something called secrets.png, and we just need to provide the password that we get from from cracking the MD5 hash, and I'm just pasting the password, and that's it. So we can see secrets.png is here. So now we can just double click in the Ubuntu home, and this is the secrets.png, and this is basically a QR code. What we need to do is to copy the QR code or just screenshot this. And remember, we don't have internet connection inside this VM, but we do have internet connection outside this VM. So we just need to use your phone, scan these and find the flag, or you can just take a screenshot like this. Like we can take screenshot like rectangle, so and just select the content, and that's it. Now we can just open browser, search for Google. So yeah, I just need to search for Google only, and just open the Google, and you can see search by image option here, and upload flag here, and select the QR code that you find, and here it is, our flag. So this is how you solve this room, and I hope you understand the concepts, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.